In today's video, we'll demonstrate the simplicity of signing a document as a recipient using PleaseSign. So let's dive right in. Signing a document with PleaseSign is straightforward. Once you receive an email or SMS about a document needing your signature, simply click on the Review Document tab to review the document. There is no need to create an account. So, you've opened your email or SMS and pressed the orange Review Document button. Next, click on the Click to Proceed button to review your document. PleaseSign effortlessly guides you to fill in all the required fields and, most importantly, your signature. It ensures a smooth journey, making sure every box is checked, every field is attended to. PleaseSign provides 3 options for you to create your digital signature. These can be set by default from the sender, so don't worry if you don't see all 3. Option 1. Draw your name using a mouse on your computer, or by using your finger on your mobile device. Option 2. Type your name and choose a font that suits your style. Option 3. Upload a signature file. JPEG or PNG files work great. With all fields completed and your signature applied, it naturally finds its place on the document, as intended by the sender, eliminating the guesswork. Your document signing is nearly complete. Please note, sometimes, your signature isn't the only thing that is needed. A sender may request attachments to be uploaded as well. If this is the case, you will need to upload the documents required before you can sign your document. Simply follow the prompts on your screen. All that is left now is to press the Click to Finish button and your document will be securely signed, sealed, and delivered. Please note, at any time you are able to click the Close button on your browser, or click on the drop-down Actions tab at the top right of the screen to decline the document if there is anything you are not happy with. You are also able to reopen the document anytime by clicking on the original email or SMS that was sent to you. Once completed, all parties receive a copy of the completed signed document, bringing your experience with PleaseSign to a satisfying end. If you have any questions at all about the document you have been sent, please contact the person who sent it to you. For more information about our easy-to-use digital signing solution and workflow management platform, go to pleasesign.com.au or submit a support request from our contact page, and one of our friendly support staff will contact you.